We are going over the controls and how to use the Splendide washer dryer WDV2200XCD. Now we upgraded to this machine just over a month ago, nearly maybe even 2 months ago at this point, and we did that because our other machine was giving us problems and I didn't have time to troubleshoot it, get parts, fix it, repair it, and then we just, out of frustration, we kind of swapped the machines out. And we've been very happy with this upgrade. This machine has performed very well and better than the old 2100 that we had, which performed well too. The controls on this are very simple. You select here what mode you want, whether it's regular, express, there's a permanent press, there's silk, delicates, wool. What I really like about this mode knob is you can put it into the maintenance mode right from the controls. You didn't have to go through the steps that you needed to for the 2100. This one you just simply put it in maintenance mode, push start, and away it goes. Today we're going to do a regular load of laundry. So we're going to select regular there on the knob. I gotta put the laundry detergent in. Give me one moment for that. We have switched to Tide cold water for a few reasons, so we're trying this out. Now, moving over here to these control panels. There's two control panels. There's this one here and this one here. This over here is how you turn the machine on. In the top corner, you push and hold until it beeps to life. There is a button underneath there to select pre-wash. You can turn it on or off for pre-wash, and the button down here we'll get back to. Moving over to this control panel here, you can select the temperature of the water, and you can see the indicator on the screen move. The spin speed of the spin cycle, and again another indicator, which is very nice. Delayed start. Now this one I'm excited about. I wish we had delayed start on our old machine. I would have utilized it all the time, and I can't wait to utilize this in the future. But there is a delayed start, and I mean, you can delay your laundry for a very long time, and if you're a procrastinator, maybe that's what you want to do, is delay your laundry. But you can delay it up to 24 hours. That's impressive. I don't know why you would want to do that. If you know why you want to delay your laundry up to 24 hours, please let me know. It even has a low heat mode for the dryer too, and you select that right here. Right above that is time dried, so you can set how long you want the dryer to run. Now, you can run this dryer from 25 minutes, all the way up to 2 hours and 25 minutes. I haven't utilized the dryer all that often since we've been here in the desert, because we're in the desert and we've been powering this off-grid using our solar panels, our lithium batteries, and our battery-to-battery charger. With that said, when you're living off-grid, you want to be as efficient as you can, and we're in the desert. So hanging our clothes outside, they are dry very quickly, and it is very efficient. So we haven't been utilizing the dryer that often on our machine. There is a super wash mode as well. Overall, these controls are very simple. Now, the one part that has been tricky, and it has thrown me for a loop, and it has thrown Lauren for a loop, is turning this machine on. And that is this button here. There's a nice little simple sticker here that says hold this button for 2 seconds. And I have found that you have to hold this button exactly for 2 seconds. If you go 2.5 seconds or 1.5 seconds, it just doesn't do anything. But before we start it, there's two things. There's these two emblems here between these two control panels, and these refer back to these buttons here. This one to the super wash button, and this indicator to the time dry button. This turns the beep on and off, and to activate the beep on and off, you got to push and hold the wash button for 3 seconds. To reactivate it, push and hold for 3 seconds again. To lock out the panel so nobody can push any of the buttons, you push and hold this one for 3 seconds. So these buttons do 2 things. 1, 2, 3, and it's off. Now, getting back to starting the machine. Our detergent is loaded, and getting back to this button here. You have to push it for exactly 2 seconds or it's not going to start. 1, 2. Let it go. Machine beeps. Here's the indicator that it went into wash mode. There'll be an indicator for rinse mode, for spin and drain, and for dry as each one comes up. And the counter will go down in time as it gets closer to the end of the cycle. That's it. That is how you do the controls of this washer-dryer combo. The door just locked. There is a bit of delay from the time you push the start button to the time it actually starts spinning and doing everything.